Okay, can you see this screen?
Yes, Prof.
Yes, Prof.
Okay. So we still gonna talk about deterministic finite automata. So the singular, again, the singular for automata is automaton. Yeah. Now, what is the definition of the deterministic finite automata, or DFA? So that is 5 tuple. Q, sigma, delta, Q0, and F, where Q is a finite state, finite set of states, internal states, and sigma is the alphabet, so that is the input symbol, and delta is a total function from Q times alpha to Q. It is called the transition function. Now, I'm just going to mention that total function means that all the combination of Q times sigma. So all you have to cover all the combination, and each of the element of that combination should only have one and only one match in the codomain. Yeah, so that is actually, but I'm sure you know this one. Yeah? Total function. The next one is Q0, that is a member of Q, that is the initial state. By the way, we are live on YouTube, yeah. And F is a subset of Q, that is the final set. So again, the initial state is a unique, there's only one, but final states can be one or more. Yeah. So there could be many final states, but only one initial state or start state. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the example. So for example, this automaton Q, sigma, delta, Q1, Q0, and F, where Q is the set of Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So that is, we picture that like this. It is called the transition graph. And these are the vertices. Yeah, vertices is a plural, and vertex is a singular. Yeah, so one vertex, 2 vertices. Okay. And the alphabet is, let's say, 0 and 1. So that's our alphabet. Now, so the transition function is, so each of the member of the transition function is a 3 tuple. Yeah, so this one, the first one belong to Q. The second one is the symbol from alphabet. And the third one is member of the Q again. Yeah, so there are 3 of them. And these are member of the delta, the transition function. Yeah. Now, so Q0 with 0 going to Q3. So in the graph, we see that like this. Q0 with 0 going to Q3. Okay. Then the next one is Q0 with 1 going to Q2. Now in the graph, that is Q0 with 1 is going to Q1. And Q1 with 0 stay in Q1. So that is in a graph looks like this. Yeah. So Q1 with 0 is going back to Q1. And Q1 with 1 going to Q2. So in the graph, it looks like this. Yeah. Q1 with 1 is going to Q2. Now this one, Q1 with 0 going to stay in Q1. So that is that one. And, oh sorry, Q2 with 0 going to Q2 with 0 going to Q1. So that's Q2 with 0 going to Q1. And Q2 with 1 stay in Q2. So that is Q2 with 1 stay in Q2. And then the last one is Q3 with 0 stay in Q3. And Q3 with 1 stay in Q3. Now we are too lazy for that, so we just gonna use one arrow like this and put the two symbol, something like that. Yeah. So this notation means that there are two arrows. The one is with label 1, label 0, and the other one is with label 1. Yeah. And the initial state is Q0, so it is Q0. Yeah. Now, to indicate where is the initial state in the graph, we just put Q0 like that, and the arrow like this. Yeah. So pointing from nowhere, pointing to Q0. And in this case, there's only one final state, that is Q2. Now in the graph, to indicate that it is a final state, we just double circle that. Yeah? So this one, Q2, we put double circle for that. That's indicating that it is the final state. And again, in this case, the final state is only one, but it could be more and could be 2 or 3 and more. Yeah, but initial states, this only one. Yeah, only one initial states. Okay. Now, what is a word or string? Word or string is said to be accepted by the automaton M. Yeah, so it is accepted by the automaton M if that word is encountered when we traverse from the initial state to the final state, to a final state. Yeah, not the final state because they can be more than one, to a final state. Yeah. So in other words, so when we start from the initial state, all the symbol we encounter when we go from the final from the initial state to a final state, that is an accepted word. Yeah. And what is the language? So the language is all the word that is accepted by the automaton. So a language is all, so that is the set of all accepted words by the automaton. Yeah. Nor formally we just denote that like this. So the language of automaton M is W, that is the words from from the alphabet with the star. So last one I show you that the star representing repetition 0 or more. Yeah. So basically this is all combination of any combination of 0 and 1, because in our now in our example the sigma is 0 and 1, where the delta star 0 Q0 and W reach one of the final. So the star here mean again that you can repeat the transition. Yeah, you can repeat starting. So this is actually what the notation means, that this delta star mean that you can just start from this initial state and you can repeat the transition function 0 or more to the word, then you have to arrive to one of the final state. Now this sounds very complicated, but we're just gonna see the example right after this. So example. Now this is the one that before. So what is the language of this automaton? Now the language of this automaton, so we have to look at all the string when we start from Q0 to the final. In this case, there's only one final, so we can just say to the final. But if there are more, then we have to any final. Yeah. So that is so this is a list of the accepted words. The shortest one is we start from Q0 to Q2. That is actually just try this one and one, so that is 1 and 1. So that is one of the accepted word. Yeah, so that is 1, 1. Yeah. And then we can just 1, 1, and we use this one 1, 1, 1. Okay, so we just circle one time here, make one iteration here, then we're gonna have this one, that one, and that one. And if we make 2 loops, then we're gonna have 1, 1, 1, 1. So there are 1, 1, 1, 1. So there are 4 ones. Yeah? And if we do 3 loops, then we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that is 1, 1, 5 times, and so on. Yeah, so that is so that it means that all string that containing all ones belong to the language, but except 1, 1. Yeah, so you have to start from 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, and so on. Yeah, so only 1 is not accepted, because for only 1, so you start here, and you have only 1, 1, that is this one, then you arrive in Q1, which is not a final. So that is not accepted. Yeah. So if you arrive in the state which is not a final, then you are, and then that word is not accepted. Or if you, for example, now this case is, because it is deterministic, so all the symbol you can start from Q0. Okay, next. You can also start from Q0 and take this one and then take a loop here, 1 loop of 0, then continue to the final with 1. So you have 1, 0, 1. This one is also accepted. So this one is also accepted. And if you make 2 loops of this 0, then you have 1, 0, 0, 1 is also accepted. Yeah? Then, and so on, you can just make any loops, whatever you want, how many you want, is also accepted. So 1 and as many, 0, and then 1 is accepted words. Yeah? So that's accepted words. And what else? So how about this thing? So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yeah? Can we make this? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yeah. So that one is also accepted. Yeah. How 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Is it also accepted? So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, that's accepted too. And how about this last one? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. There's 1, 0, 0, 1. And then 0, 0, 1. Yeah, so that's all accepted. So basically, so all the accepted words, so doesn't matter what's the combination or the order on how many 0 and 1 in the middle, as long as it starts with 1 and ends with 1, is also accepted. Yeah. So as long as you, so that's why I indicate this with red. As long as you start with 1 and end up with 1, whatever the sequence or the string in the middle is also accepted words. Yeah. So the language is all string on 0 and 1 that start and ends with 1. Yeah. So it doesn't matter whatever in the middle. So any sequence of 0 and 1 in the middle, as long as you start with 1 and ends with 1, then it is accepted words. Yeah. Now, so formally, it is like this. So it is you have to. That's why you need to look at again the set notation. Yeah. Especially the notation like this. Yeah. So here it is the formal notation for this language. That is 1, W1, where W element of sigma star. Now sigma star means that is all the element in the sigma, so that is 0 and 1. You can just repeat 0 and 1 times in any of the element in the 0 and 1, any of the element of the alphabet. Yeah, so that is actually what it say. Okay.